nukes war, no nukes war, no nukes war, no nukes war, no nukes war,
The
no nukes war.
day Pakistan started the nukes in our land, which is distributed, which is destroyed entire fertilizer and the human lives in the Chagi. So we are here to show the world that those nukes were destroyed us, but today, tomorrow, they will destroy you, because this is the country of Pakistan, which is created in the name of religion, and today this country is being occupied, controlled by the establishment armies, and those are the most extremist journals armies in the world. And today we see in their speeches they use the name of religion, which religion shows that today they are threat for us, but tomorrow they will use these nukes on us. If the world is not sincere about the Pakistan and their nukes, tomorrow might be you will face the same situation, because we have seen and our people are suffering from this war. So we need to the world that see today we are voicing for us, but today, tomorrow it will come to you. If the United Nations and the entire world is not sincere, these extremists, these generals, these will use these nukes to the world. If you see in the small topics, they use the name of nukes. It is not the normal situation. It is a dangerous situation for us. If the world is sincere and they can see the situation of Chagi, where people are dying in the name of cancer because of these nukes. So we request to the world, please sincerely show show Pakistan that they must destroy these nukes. So thank you for your
Free! No Iran, no Pakistan!
Today we gather on this solemn auction to commemorate the dark chapter in the history of Balochistan. A day that strike export that brutal occupation of our beloved land. On May 28, 1998, Pakistan conducted nuclear tests in the Chagi district of Balochistan, an act that not only devastated our environment and health, but also lied bare the truth about the occupation of Balochistan. These nuclear tests, conducted codenamed Chagi, were a blatant display of Pakistan disregard for the sovereignty and rights of Baloch people. The tests were conducted without our consent, without any consideration for the long-term effect on our environment, health, and well-being. This act of aggression was a strike reminder of the colonial and oppressive policies that Pakistan has prepared against the Baloch people for decades. As we stand here today, we remember the countless lives lost, the families torn apart, and the communities displaced due to Pakistan's brutal occupation.
Abolish Pakistani! Abolish Pakistani! Abolish Pakistani! Abolish Pakistani! Abolish Pakistani! Abolish Pakistani! Abolish Pakistani!